Grindr is a popular dating app used by many individuals in Indonesia. To use Grindr in Indonesia, one must first download the app from the App Store and create a profile. Users can upload photos, write a bio, and specify their preferences in terms of age, gender, and interests. Once the profile is set up, users can start browsing through profiles of other individuals in their area. They can swipe left to pass on a profile or swipe right to show interest. If both users swipe right on each other's profiles, they can start chatting and potentially meet up in person. It is important to note that Indonesia is a conservative country, and openly LGBTQ+ individuals may face discrimination or even legal consequences. Therefore, it is recommended to exercise caution when using Grindr in Indonesia and to be mindful of local laws and customs. Despite these challenges, many individuals in Indonesia still use Grindr as a way to connect with others in the LGBTQ+ community and find potential partners or friends. By following safety precautions and being respectful of local norms, users can navigate the app successfully and potentially find meaningful connections.